Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Lainey. Today we're gonna do fall outfits for the cooler weather. And if you guys don't think this is like warm enough, we're gonna have winter outfits coming soon. Don't worry about that, but I like to give a wide range of weather outfits for the weather. Okay, before we get into the outfits though, I did want to say thank you so much to our sponsor, Jenny Kane. This is my newest sweater from them. It's just the most perfect chunky black knit sweater, which is exactly what I've been looking for. I have another one you'll see later that I've had since around springtime. They're the absolute best quality. They have like luxurious cashmere, amazing materials. They're definitely pieces that you're just gonna keep forever and ever and ever, and hopefully pass on one day to somebody you love and somebody you wanna be cozy. So if you guys want 15% off Jenny Kane, you can use my code Lainey at checkout, or just go to link in the description box. It's jennykane.com/Lainey, 15% off with code Lainey. So amazing. I'll talk more about their sweaters. You're gonna see it a bunch in the video, so let's get into it. So first outfit you saw is me styling the Jenny Kane sweater with these dark wash jeans I rolled up to show off my little moto boots. This is my favorite way to wear them when the weather starts getting colder, the boots. And then I really wanted to dress it down and make it super casual with a camo hat, my little sunnies, and then warming it up with a big thick knit scarf. A scarf literally keeps you so warm, and all these outfits, maybe they don't seem like they keep you the warmest, and yes, not in like freezing weather, but the materials of what you're wearing is what matters so much. Cashmere, wool, cotton, breathable, quality materials. They don't have to be the thickest in the world to keep you warm. So I promise you I'm sweating this whole video. Next, I threw on this wool trench that I thrifted, my sambas, and then this little thrifted kerchief. I still have to figure out if I like wearing it like this or not. I don't know. I think I imagine wearing it with like a fur jacket, a vintage fur jacket, and really like cozy it up. So I don't know if it's ready for fall yet. I threw on this brown maxi, the Jenny Kane sweater again, and the same moto boots. I just love a black and brown outfit for the fall and winter time. And again, like throw on your fleece line tights, and this will keep you so much warmer. I always wear like an underlayer of long underwear from Uniqlo. That helps a lot. And then to style this outfit a little bit more, I added this Moschino belt that I feel like we were seeing so much of these big chunky belts in the summertime. I wanted to show a way to keep wearing it in the winter. I think over a jacket too, like cinched in, would be really cute. I just didn't have a jacket that was like light enough for fall weather yet. Then this is my other Jenny Kane sweater that you guys have seen, I'm sure, a million times. Not only from me, but everyone else has it. Comes in amazing colors. I have this taupe one. I paired it with like a really casual pajama pant from Speltham and my sambas, and I love the way this looks, the juxtaposition. Then over top, I added this Deus fleece and made it a lot more casual, but I still like the buttons like peeking out of the fleece. And this like army green and red I think is so cute together. It gives Christmas, but like also doesn't. Okay, then I threw on a little collared sweater, put it underneath my overalls, those moto boots again, and then made it super casual with the camo baseball cap. And I feel like a beanie could make this like a lot more warm. Make sure you're wearing your layers underneath, and you're honestly so good to go. A boot is also just going to keep your foot and like your whole body so much warmer. If you have cold feet, you will be cold. And speaking of cold feet, I threw on ballet flats, but I wanted to show a wide range of things. We've got the black and brown again, and this kind of gives that like TikTok outfit formula of sandwiching aesthetic. So we've got like a fancier top, athletic bottom, fancy shoe. I added this Dickies jacket on top to make it a bit warmer. It is so warm, these Eisenhower Dickies jackets. I've had this one for like 2 years, but the ballet flats felt wrong, so I added sambas, my little hat, and this is like a super cute, very casual outfit. When people say athleisure, like this is my athleisure, never leggings. Okay, then I still wanted to show like tights and shorts outfit, even though they're not the most practical for me, but I did fleece line tights, so it is a lot more practical. I did the moto boots first, didn't like how it looked, so I did these riding boots, but I have an ingrown toenail and literally it hurts so bad I couldn't like step on my one foot, so this is the best posing you're gonna get. couldn't do it. I had to take it off. Oh my god, this ingrown toenail has been like my #1 enemy. Okay, then another very casual outfit. This one, again, just like doesn't seem like it'd be that warm, but this sweater is really thick wool. I got these little gloves from the dollar store, and I think they're so cutesy, but they're for children, so my hands are a little bit too big for them. But there's puppies and kittens, and I'll definitely be wearing them this winter. I'm more of a mittens girl, but they're cute. My Uniqlo little dumpling bag, Uniqlo jeans, and some tennis shoes because I needed to give my toe a break, and I thought it was still cute. So I really like this look. Last look, something that's very polarizing. I love these cheetah pants. I always work them into videos. My little Deus and Sambas. I think the colors all together just look really, really good. So that's it for this video. Remember to check out Jenny Kane. Use the link in my description box for 15% off with code LANEY. I love you guys absolute most. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. Bye.